Welcome to SuiteTrails. In this video, we'll be your virtual tour guide as we explore the stunning city of Chefchaouen, Morocco. Join us as we uncover the top 7 must-see spots in this picturesque blue-hued town. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Join our food tour in Chefchaouen and experience the city like a local. Chefchaouen street food offers a wide selection of handmade, high-quality local products such as basara, cookies, fresh yogurt and cheese, and more. The goal of this experience is to make you explore and eat like a true local. Our tour takes you through the historic and vibrant Medina district, located in the heart of Chefchaouen, known for its traditional architecture, narrow alleyways, and charming atmosphere. You'll visit local markets and observe fresh produce vendors, artisans, and real community life in action, with breathtaking views and excellent photo opportunities. In addition to the various tastings your group will enjoy, your guide will discuss the history, culture, traditions, and general lifestyle. Feel free to ask questions. The more you interact, the more you'll discover. Chefchaouen Food Tour is also designed to accommodate your dietary restrictions: vegetarians, gluten-free, lactose-free, etc. Just let us know your preferences, and we will do our best to meet your needs. Number 2. Pick up from hotel walk along alleyway for photographers. Shorten your time looking for beautiful spots. We take you there for beach shots. After the tour, we send you photos to your email. You will not regret the experience. Number 3. Embark on a captivating culinary journey that begins with a sensory exploration of a bustling local market. Our immersive cooking class experience invites you to discover the essence of culinary artistry in the heart of Chefchaouen. Market excursion. Our day commences with a guided walking tour to the vibrant local market, where you'll encounter a symphony of colors, aromas, and flavors. Here, you'll have the unique opportunity to handpick the freshest and finest ingredients essential for your culinary masterpiece. Our expert guide will unveil the secrets of selecting the best quality produce, sharing valuable tips on identifying peak freshness and selecting the perfect cuts of meat or the ripest fruits and vegetables. Feel the pulse of the market, interact with local vendors, and gain an appreciation for the vibrant tapestry of Moroccan cuisine. The return to our workshop. After our exhilarating market tour, we'll journey back to our cozy and welcoming workshop. Nestled in the heart of Chefchaouen, our workshop is the perfect environment for unlocking your culinary potential. Cooking class commences. Under the guidance of our skilled Moroccan chef, you'll step into the world of Moroccan gastronomy. Each cooking station is thoughtfully equipped with all the tools and ingredients you need to create a mouth-watering Moroccan feast. Our chef will lead you through the intricate art of Moroccan cuisine, sharing cherished family recipes and culinary wisdom passed down through generations. Together, we'll embark on a culinary adventure, mastering the fine balance of spices, herbs, and flavors that define Moroccan cooking. Culinary bonding. Our workshop fosters a sense of community and camaraderie as you work side by side with fellow food enthusiasts. Share stories, laughter, and culinary secrets as you craft your Moroccan masterpieces. Grand finale. Finally, as the tantalizing scents of your creations waft through the air, we'll gather around the table for a feast like no other. You'll savor the fruits of your labor, enjoying the dishes you've prepared in the heart of Morocco's culinary culture. It's a moment of culinary achievement and appreciation that you'll cherish forever. Join us for the market to table, a culinary adventure, and immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Moroccan cuisine, one unforgettable dish at a time. Number 4. Admire the Arab Andalusian architecture while you walk. Visit the Ras El Ma waterfall and learn of its importance. Choose from several tour times to suit your schedule. A private tour means a personalized experience. Discover Morocco's Great Blue City, also known as Chefchaouen, on a sightseeing tour. Alongside a private guide, walk through the small alleyways and see top highlights including the Medina, the Mohammed V Square, City Hall, and the Great Mosque. While you explore, your guide provides context on the history and culture of the city, including why the buildings are painted blue. Number 5. Experience a day trip from Rabat to Chefchaouen, a charming mountain town in Morocco. The town is famous for its blue buildings, which create a calm and unique atmosphere. The journey from Rabat offers scenic views as you pass through hilly landscapes. Upon arriving in Chefchaouen, you'll immediately notice the blue buildings. You can explore the narrow streets and find colorful items for sale, like clothes and handmade goods. Lunch will be provided during the day, featuring delicious Moroccan cuisine. The food includes special spices and local ingredients, allowing you to try traditional dishes. Chefchaouen is surrounded by beautiful nature, and you might have the chance to visit high-up places nearby. From there, you can enjoy views of the mountains and valleys below. Number 6. Dive into the local culture and discover the rich mix of Berber, Arabic, Andalusian, and Mediterranean influence in the national cuisine. A local chef will present you with various choices of meals to prepare, including tagine, fish pastille, harcha, bread made from semolina, and Arabic pastries. The day begins with hotel pickup from Chefchaouen. Once at the local home, get to know all the specialty ingredients in Moroccan cooking and chat with the host about Moroccan culture and customs. You are welcome to ask as much as you like. Your local host will be happy to help you discover the culinary traditions. Learn about the proper presentation of gourmet plates and then sit down to enjoy your homemade meal. Finish off with a typical Moroccan tea and collect your certificate of completion for the class. Number 7. Begin your journey with a comfortable pickup from your hotel and a quick transfer to the train station. Enjoy a swift 2-hour ride on the high-speed train to Tangier. Upon arrival, meet your driver at the Starbucks in front of the station. Embark on a scenic 2-hour drive to Chefchaouen in an air-conditioned van equipped with Wi-Fi. Relax and take in the beautiful coastal and natural landscapes, with opportunities to stop for photos along the way. Once in Chefchaouen, immerse yourself in the beauty of the historic site and charming landmarks of the Blue City such as Ouda El Hammam Square, the Old Medina, Ras El Ma Waterfall, and more. And have a Moroccan lunch in one of the city's restaurants. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.